It's James with Net News Ledger. Downtown, Fort William, bicycles, spring, everything's coming together. We finally seem to have broke the back of winter. What do you need to do about bikes in Thunder Bay?
So this is Community Spokes. It is owned and operated by my business called Cooperative X. We are based out of the Hub Bazaar on Victoria Avenue East. So we offer a variety of services for bicycles. Our main business is a do-it-yourself bike repair space. So that's free access to bike tools, free teaching, and affordable used parts. The next thing we do is we offer bikes for sale and rent. So we have a few bikes in the sales floor here. A very popular project is the Build Your Own Bike program. So this Gary Fisher here is being built up by our patron Scott, and he's building a nice premium bike for himself out of our scrapyard downstairs. Also, there's lots of volunteer opportunities. So if you just want to hang out and build bikes with the community, you can do that. And then we also do lots of programming with organizations to provide opportunities for them just to kind of hang out and build bikes as a team. And then we're launching our next project in the next few months. It'll be the same thing, DIY repair, build your own, used parts, volunteering, programming, but as opposed to bicycles, it's going to be computers. So a computer refurbishment project.
Thank you for taking the
Yeah.
time.